Hey YouTube, I'm gonna be starting a new video series where I'm going to an auction. It's like a furniture auction, and they sell like knickknacks and stuff. Typically stuff that you would find at a yard sale. Well, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be buying certain items that I think I can make that I can flip and make profit on, and then I'm gonna be reviewing the items that I bought, and then tell you how much I bought it for, and then try and tell you how much I'm gonna try and sell it for. So the first item that I'm gonna be showing you is this bird feeder lighthouse. Let it focus. Okay. This is a bird feeder lighthouse. I bought it for $14.50. I'm gonna try and sell it for $20. I bought it because it was very like unique, and at first when I bid on it, I didn't think it was a bird feeder. I thought it was just like a like home decor item that you would just put like on a table or a mantle and just use it as decoration, but it's a little bit more about the item. It measures at 21 inches tall. It does have some scratches on it. Let me see. There you go. And a ding. And then at the bottom right here, the paint's a little faded. And then it has a nick right there. The top screws off, and then you could put a bird feed inside. I'll show you. And then top just screws back on and seals up. And then it has a hook that you can hang it from a pole or anything that you can find outside. Oh, I like how the bottom kind of looks like bricks. It has like a brick design to it. That's pretty cool. It has 3 perches. One kind of at the top, then one in the middle, and then one all the way at the bottom. And then the holes go from one side of the lighthouse to directly the other side. So there's 6 bird feeder holes all together for birds to get food out of. But yeah, like I said, I paid $14.50 for it. I'm hoping to get $25 for it. If I can't get 25, I'll settle for 20, make a $5 profit, and then I'm gonna take the $20, go to the auction, and then see what I could buy, and then I'm gonna videotape the next item that I buy, and let you know how much I paid for it, and then try and sell that for a profit. Okay, but this, like I said, this is my first item. We'll see what happens. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.